बेंगलुरु के फाल्कन और बीदर के शाहीन तालीमी इदारों पर हमें फख्र है, हमें नाज है। बेंगलुरु के फाल्कन ने सिर्फ 3 साल में जो तरक्की हासिल की है वो किसी करिश्मे से कम नहीं है। मुल्क व मिल्लत को ऐसे इदारों की ज़रूरत है। चीफ मिनिस्टर सिद्धरामैया के पॉलिटिकल सेक्रेटरी MLC नसीर अहमद ने इन ख्यालात का इजहार किया।
This institution has it's been only within a period of 3 years. I think it's a real something like a miracle. Congratulate Dr. Subhan for having taken up this cause in the period of education. When we went and visited, many times I have been to Bidar. We feel proud to visit those institutions because
बेंगलुरु के फाल्कन कैंपस में आज मेगा जॉब फेयर का इनॉग्रेशन हुआ। MLC नसीर अहमद और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका 5 गारंटीज इम्प्लीमेंटेशन अथॉरिटी के वाइस चेयरमैन महरोज खान चीफ गेस्ट के तौर पर मौजूद थे। यसार महरोज खान ने कहा कि जॉब क्रिएट करना, जॉब प्रोवाइड करना ये एक बड़ी खिदमत है। महरोज खान ने कहा कि पूरे मुल्क में बेरोजगारी एक बड़ा मसला है, लेकिन कर्नाटक के लिए अच्छी खबर यह है कि पिछले 3 सालों में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की शरह में काफ़ी कमी आई है। यहाँ नौजवानों को काफ़ी सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मौजूद हैं, बस नौजवानों को वेल क्वालिफाइड होने की ज़रूरत है। इस मौके पर यसार महरोज खान ने अपनी ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट की जानिब से 25 जॉब वैकेंसीज का ऐलान किया। आज बतारीख 28 मार्च बरोज हफ्ता फाल्कन के कैंपस में हुए इस मेगा जॉब फेयर में कई बड़ी कंपनियों ने हिस्सा लिया और ये जॉब फेयर सिर्फ फाल्कन के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नहीं बल्कि तमाम कॉलेजों के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए खुला था। फाल्कन ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस के MD अब्दुल सुभान ने कहा कि फाल्कन में डिग्री की तालीम के साथ इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग का सिलसिला जारी है और यहाँ डिग्री मुकम्मल होते ही जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रही हैं। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
Leader with the highest concern for the community's issues, Janab Naseer Ahmed sir, and the chairman of the Falcon and my dear friend. The educationists who created many doctors, engineers and UPSC aspirants and UPSC successful candidates also from this great institution. Janab Subhan, my dear students, members of the faculty, job seekers and very importantly job providers. I am very happy to be here at this very meaningful, useful, helpful event providing jobs to the job seekers. Always I feel that creating the jobs and providing the jobs is one of the biggest service to the families, to the society and the nation. And today, all of you aware, in India, we are struggling for the jobs. There are crores of youths, boys and girls, today deprived of the jobs for the various policies of the government at large. But I am very happy to say the Karnataka government under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah sir, from 2023 to till today, our unemployment rate in Karnataka was 4.3%. When we took the charge, the unemployment rate was 4.3%, and today our unemployment rate is 2.25%. This is the biggest achievement by our government. The reason is the UNID scheme what we launched under the 5 guarantees, and also the majorly the free bus, the Shakti program. Because of the Shakti program today, the rural girls, they are able to travel from their villages to the town, from town to the cities. The employment rate of the girl students increased in these 2 years, large. This is the achievement of the Karnataka government. This is one side of the story, where as a government, it is our responsibility to provide jobs. It is our responsibility to create entrepreneurship in the state. At the same time, there is another responsibility from the private sector, where people like Subhan and the companies, the private companies, private sector companies, they are coming forward and providing jobs to the job seekers is also, we must appreciate. Not taking much time, I like to do one announcement here. We have a foundation and also institution where we are providing the jobs for the lift technicians and lift engineers. If you want to join as a lift technician, you have to pass ITA and Polytechnic. If you want to become a lift engineer, you have to be an engineering graduate from mechanical or electrical. Rural is there, and I don't think so here you have some engineering students, but you can convey this message to your friends and family. Rural in your family, if there are engineers, inform them, and maybe Subhan you can ask your some of the staff, they can connect and they can give the names. See, this jobs are available in Middle East countries, European countries. And job, we are 100% we are assuring them. Today I am announcing 25 jobs here. For that you have to take 4 months training. The free training will be given to you. The cost of the training is 1 lakh rupees. Actually we are charging 1 lakh rupees for that particular training for 4 months. But here we are giving you free of cost the training. The 1 lakh, there is no need of giving, but job is 100% assured. For the lift technician, you are going to get a 35 to 40,000 rupees salary. And for the lift engineer, you are going to get 70 to 80,000 salary. So anyone who are interested, please contact Mr. Subhan's office and we are ready to offer these jobs to you. Thank you.
And I am told that nearly about 8,800 students are studying in this campus, from primary to postgraduate. This institution has it's been only within a period of 3 years. I think it's a real something like a miracle. That shows the amount of confidence and respect the people of this area have in Falcon institution. They believe that Falcon institution, our students will be safe, protected, and they will be able to impart the present day education system, and they will get lot of exposure to participate in professional exams. So that is the reason people in the area have come in a big number to join this Falcon institution. I really congratulate Dr. Subhan for having taken up this cause in the field of education. And whether it is Falcon or the Shaheen group of institutions, they are considered as one of the top institutions in the community, wherein they focused in the professional exams, whether it is NEET, whether it is CET, whether it is all such kind of exams. They train the students and they try to get them into that kind of stages where they can face the exam and they can come out with good ranking, so that they get free seats, not only in medical, not only in engineering, not only JEE, advanced JEE, all kinds of courses. And when we went and visited, many times I have been to either we feel proud to visit those institutions because every year nearly about 400 admissions they get for MBBS. Even if anybody wanted to start a MBBS college, the intake, the Government Medical Council of India will give only 100. So they can start with only 100 admissions. And to start a medical college, you require an investment of not less than about 500 to 600 crores. After investing such a huge amount, you can able to get admission only for 100 people. Whereas giving the proper training, proper education, proper preparing them to face this exam and getting the 400 seats, it is as good as having a 404 medical colleges for the community. For that, we should really congratulate the group, Falcon group. I think Falcon group also this year could able to get close to about 100 seats in the medical. That's also a big achievement. Falcon did this in a very short period of time, whereas Shaheen did with a very long period, maybe, but still, it's a big achievement. And today I would like to tell you, the government of Karnataka, the welfare ministry also, we have come out with a program called Elevate. You know, whoever the young minds, if you have different ideas, you want to become an entrepreneur on your own, and you have some ideas that you wanted to implement, then you can apply to this program, Elevate program, and they do the proper assessment and they look at your project, whether this project is sustainable, whether this project can definitely create employment and this project can definitely bring some new technology. Such people, the government of Karnataka under the able leadership of Siddaramaiah and the welfare ministry under the leadership of P.Z. Zamir Ahmed Khan. This year, we have given something like close to, I think, 10 crore rupees, 5 plus 5, 10 crore rupees. And 30 students has been selected. Examination was conducted by IT, Information and Technology Directorate. And the 30 students, they have come out with their own programs and their own ideas, their own. So they have been given a subsidy amount, that is free grant. Some fellows got 50 lakhs, some fellows got 30 lakhs, some people got 20 lakhs. Like that, it's a beginning for them to launch their project and come out as successful entrepreneurs. And that is what today when we call it startups, this is also a kind of startups. So today this program, I would like to appeal to all the students who are here, you can also make use of that particular program.
I don't know whether Naseer had visited this place just around 4 years back when we took over, hardly 3 rooms, as I told him before, 3 or 6 rooms here, which was almost a closed campus, now nurtures almost 1,800 students and 1,800 dreams. And last year, from the very same campus, we happened to give the Karnataka's best result. Among minorities, the entire South India's top result in the NEET was given by Falcon. The topper of the entire South India came from Falcon last year, and this year, UPSC, every year we are trying to give our best. This year, 15% of the country's UPSC results we were able to give. This is just what we were earlier doing. But when it comes to degree, I was of the opinion that in PU, we ensure that there is the tuition culture and the coaching culture we will avoid. A child who studies at Falcon will never go to a tuition center, will never go to a coaching center. Because I always felt that is a meanness to the system, additional cost to the parents and unnecessary lot of deviation for the child. He will waste lot of time in commuting between college to tuition center and all. I avoided a complete this coaching model and the tuition model. Everything we did in under one roof. And it became a hit. Now every other PU college tries to copy it. When we started, it was a unique program in 2013-14. But in degree, when I started degree here, I had a very simple thing that whatever we look at in any degree program in all the universities, across the government universities especially, there is the students who come out of the degree, after finishing the degree, they go for looking for a job. But the only challenge they find it, whatever they have learned in the degree college is not what is required in the industry. Industry requirement is completely different and what they have learned is completely different. Sometimes it is outdated or the application is not there. So from the very first year of our degree, we ensured that there is a compulsory internship program. A child who studies any degree program here will have compulsory internship so that they will get a very profound understanding of the industry. All the industry's requirement or hands-on experience into different areas in whichever course they are doing. There are specialized pathways into our degree programs. If the child is studying in any degree program, he or she can ensure that they can master into one particular field. Let's say BCA student can master full stack development. They can do expertise, certified programs in data science. For digital marketing, there is a separate program. There is CA Foundation for the BCom student. There is CA Foundation program. UPSC Foundation, from the very first year of the degree, they start preparing for UPSC. So that the child is not let off after 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock as this happens in the other universities. And then after 1 o'clock, the children get into the pathway programs, and that is when they can harness their capabilities and upskill themselves and ensure that when they come out from the degree program, they are not freshers. They already have gained experience. That is what we have seen here.